Hey, good morning, everybody. Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is March the 14th, 2025. Coming to you from mobile headquarters. It's windy today. My daily walk, a solid 29 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. I had to reset my timer once. Again, my right heel, my plantar fasciitis is really improved. I'm so happy. I went to the doctors, got some rehab stuff to do, got new gym shoes, got orthotics. Is that what you call them when you inserts for your gym shoes? Anyhow, so all our days are numbered. All of our days are numbered. What do I mean by that? We only have so many days, so many months, so many years, so many decades on this earth. And the point was driven home yet again 2 days ago. This is Friday. Wednesday, Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99 and I went to our old coffee shop. And I went inside. I was getting iced tea that day. Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99 had her usual decaf Americano. I came out and there was an older man, older than us, mid-60s, talking to Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99. I said, well, that's awful nice. So I sat down with the drinks and introduced myself, and we started to talk to this man, and he had just moved to our area like 3 or 4 months ago from the East Coast. His daughter, adult daughter, had a house out here, and him and his wife were living with the daughter. And then towards the end of the conversation, I said, well, what brings you out in these parts of town? And very nonchalantly said, I have liver cancer. I'm like, oh, dude, I'm so sorry. It's like, yeah, the doctors gave me about a year to live. I'm like, oh my gosh. In fact, my heart even hurts kind of talking about it now. So I said, hey, we're frequently at this coffee shop. If you see us again, we'd love to come up and strike more of a friendship with you, because there's a sandwich place down the street and he was waiting on a sandwich to get made. I guess he ordered it online, waited 20 minutes, went to the store, it wasn't done. So he saw Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99 sitting outside of the coffee shop. Anyhow, I can't imagine ever saying to someone, I've got this disease, the doctors have given me a year to live. So again, it just slapped me upside the face again 2 days ago. Our days are numbered. We don't know the day or the time when the Lord's going to take us home. If you have a faith background, if you don't, then you believe whatever you believe in, that's not what I believe, but if you believe that, no harm, no foul, that's fine. But yeah, all our days are numbered. Crypto Mentor 99, thanks for being a part of my crypto family. And I love you. See you later. Bye-bye.